There's a new message on my inbox. Let's see. I made a new grounded video. Check it out. Undefinitely checked out.
Adrianna, I'm going to ask you to take a shower.
But Dad, it's Saturday. I took a 2-hour clean as a whistle shower yesterday.
Adrianna, I don't care if you took a shower yesterday, but you still have to take a shower anyway. Now go there now, or else you're grounded.
First, I will take my clothes off. Next, I will get in the shower. Now I will turn the water off. Uh-oh. The water is still going. Oh no! I broke the shower head.
Adrianna, get down here right now. You are in a heap of trouble, young lady.
I better put my clothes back on.
Adrianna, how can you explain this?
Explain what?
Oh my God, Susan, get in here quick.
What is it, Paul?
Adrianna was taking a shower and then she broke the shower head and now water is leaking from the ceiling.
Oh my God, Adrianna, how could you do a thing like this? That's it, you're grounded for 5, 6, 8, 6, 7, 1, 8, 6, 3, 8, 6, 4, 0, 8, 0, 9, 1, 7, 2, 8, 6, 4, 8, 6, 2, 6, 4, 8, 6, 5, 0, 8, 9, 1, 7, 1, 5, 3, 7, 6, 4, 5, 9, 7, 2, 8, 2, 6, 4, 5, 7, 6, 2, 9 years. Now go upstairs to your room now.